Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a small haul from Lowe's. This is a 12 volt DeWalt Xtream tool. Picked up the 3/8 impact wrench, got a free 5 kit, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing just a quick little short introduction video. I ended up buying a bunch of the DeWalt 12 volt Xtream tool kits. You know, you spend 99 bucks, get a free 5 amp hour battery. So here's the 5. This is the 3/8 10 millimeter impact wrench. Comes with 2 tubes, charger, bag, the tool. Then you get a free 5, so you end up with 3 batteries. This one I actually ordered from Lowes.com, and I called the next day to find out when my order was going to be ready, because I had to drive like 130 miles one way just to get there. And first person I spoke to, they're like, "Oh, I can't find the battery. We're going to have to cancel your order, blah, blah, blah." And I said I wanted to speak to a manager. It transferred me to a manager. Ended up speaking to a gentleman, which was really nice. He told me he'd give me a call back, and in like a few minutes. He ended up finding the battery and everything because it was an online order to the store, that store specifically. So I basically ordered online for these 2 items at that store, and ended up being the online department actually grabbed the items and took them up to the service desk. So the reason the guy couldn't find the battery that I originally spoke to was because it was at the service desk waiting with the tool that I purchased. But just a quick video. We'll do an unboxing and everything on this. This is just an introduction video for the channel. That way you guys can see. If you guys want to just look at these short little videos, and then you guys can go to the unboxing instead of looking at all of them. I will be doing a video where all of the tools that I bought from Lowe's, so this kit, everything down here, all these kits and this kit will be in the same video. So it's really up to you guys which video you guys want to watch. If you want to watch just the one about the impact wrench, you can. If you want to watch just the one about the impact driver or the drill driver, it's all up to you guys. Just figured I'd give you guys some information. It went very smooth. Even though I had to drive really far out of my way to pick it up, that Buckeye store was actually the only store that actually had both of these items in stock. Every store, which is probably about 60 or 70 stores close to me, they either had just the impact wrench and no 5 amp hour batteries, or they had 5 amp hour batteries but they didn't have the impact wrench. So it wasn't a waste of money driving all the way to that store, because I ended up getting the battery and the tool that I wanted, which this is a part of that promo. So do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. I will be releasing these videos pretty soon, in the next couple weeks or so. And hope to see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Information on this real quick. This is the 3/8 impact wrench kit. It is Dog Charlie Frank 902 Frank 2. That is the model number of the kit. Right there. And the model number of the battery is Dog Charlie Bravo 126. Just to let you guys know real quick on that. But the other last thing of information is it went really smooth. I never ordered anything at a store online before and went and picked it up. That store made it pretty easy. Just went up to the customer service and showed them my phone. They brought it up, my order number, and she asked for my ID. Pretty simple. She asked if I wanted a printed receipt or a paper receipt. I asked if I could have both. They said no. I told her just to email it to me, and she ended up giving me this sold to slip. So it ended up going pretty smooth. No issues at all. But, you know, do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, go check out the affiliate links that I mentioned before. All affiliate links, I do get a commission off of them. I also do have a link at the top of the description for Ulsa Tools. You go check that out. It'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it will kick me back 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. Do appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out the quick video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!